What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, y'all know how we do, man. Hey, I think we're in a bad market. I don't even be watching. I don't even know what the prices are. But I see other people hollering and complaining about we're in the bad market, prices going down and all that. I don't know, man. I'm just over here making money, boy. You want to make some money. The stunt squad, boy, things is ramping up. We're in the bull market. You understand what I'm saying? So, hey, man, you want somebody to make some money, you want your grandma to make some money, your mama, your auntie, your cousin, tell them to come holler at your boy, man. This the money making channel, the Stunt Squad. But without further ado, let's get to it, baby. All right, B&B Steak. Start with the high risk first. This is the high risk of all high risk. So if you are risk averse, then just keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's get to it. All right, we was at 1,157 total stake yesterday. And we're going to see if we went up or down. Are we back under 1,000 or we went up? Let's refresh this thing, see what it's going to do now. See what she going to do. We up or down? We under 1,000? Are we at 1,200? 1,300? 900? I don't know. We're going to see. Up 1,500? With 1,200 still in the contract. So I don't know what you want me to say, man. Hey, man, I don't know what you want me to say. So like I said, if you want to be able to withdraw every day, come up here. If you are a risk taker, come down here. You know what I'm saying? That this is probably the last day you're going to be able to come down here, bro. I'm keeping it real. I'm not going to sit here and tell you to do. Nah, I mean, I don't know, because actually it's growing. It's organically growing. It's not like last time we had the whales putting in, you know what I'm saying, 400, 500, saying it just kept growing, 10,000, 15,000, you know what I'm saying? It's organically growing, so it's like one B&B at a time. So that may bode well for the longevity. I don't know, bro. I'm just saying. But if you want to withdraw every day, come right here, man. Don't even look down here. Don't even come down here. You better withdraw every day. You get 9% a day. You ain't getting that nowhere else. So let's just keep it moving, baby. But anyway, man, y'all know about B&B Steak. Let's see what else we got going on. Oh, I'm gonna do the drip giveaway today. So did you win? Is you win? We about to see. But let's see what Pancake Swap got for us, man. What we got today? 464 plus that 119. That's a good 580. You know what I'm saying? Good little 580, $600. You know what I'm talking about? We'll take that. Coin swap. We got 47. Let's see. I got a little bit. You know, Coin Swap got a staking too. You know what I'm saying? They come on. This thing be taking all day. See what we got over here, man. 47. Price still hanging up above $5, going down, but hell, I'm just making money off of it, so it don't really matter. This how you make money. Bull market, bear market, anyway. Oh, 32. Got 32 over there. That's about 70 something. So what that is, 70 something. It's about $350 on top of the 600 from Pancake Swap. I still got more. Don't go over here to buy swap. Look at, let me show you. Let me go down here first so I can show you something. Look at that price. $2.20. Who told you about this first, man? Huh? But now you listen to the other guy, the other YouTuber, because you know he got all the fancy editing. He told you to go over there to iron and get you some Titan. We're going to the moon. I'm just over here making money on buy swap. It ain't stopping, bro. It is not stopping. This is where the money at, man. Every 24 hours, bro. I'm making 700% and 600%. Listen what I got today. 598, so that's 600 right there. Plus another 128. That's $700, bro. I'm going to get these up out of here. That's $700 every day. This is one platform. I mean, ain't nobody doing it like me, man. Nobody. Nobody. What's so-and-so? Nobody. Let's run it. Where they at? Put them up against your boy. They ain't making money like me, man. And making people money. You follow me, you making money. I talk about the same things every day. Go back and look. Same 4 platform. Pancake Swap, Coin Swap, Buy Swap, Drip. If you been in that with me since the beginning, boy, your life done changed, bro. The only way your life ain't changed, you was scared and you ain't go in hard. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't go in hard enough, I can't make you go in. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I got another new thing for you. On this buy swap, right? my man in Telegram, I don't know if you're gonna be saying his name. I ain't gonna, he showed me this Auto Shark, right? They got a BSW form, right? For your BSW tokens, your buy swap tokens. You come over here, I just tried it out, put a little bit in there. It was 600 when I put it in, but the price don't went up, so you get the price appreciation too. So it's 737. I only put in 365 BSW, and look, you make 675%, which is you click this thing right here. You make 1.85% a day, right? That's great. That's just you making money on top of the money you making. You understand what I'm saying? You taking the free money over here, you bringing it over here for the Auto Shark, and you get these. Not only you get these tokens, these BSW tokens, you get these Jaws tokens, which is where they're worth 31 cents now. So you get 2 tokens. You get more of these, and you get some more of these. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to. You don't have to. Just, hey man, I'm just a money making machine. You understand what I'm saying? Ain't no way, man. You don't get this kind of information nowhere. Nowhere. They'll go tell you about, elephant dot money is your heads against the map. Shut up. Let's make some real money. Come on over here, baby. Let's get to it. Let's go to drip. See what I'm saying going on. All right, so we're finna give away this money, man. Let me go straight to the YouTube. So this is the video yesterday. Shout out to everybody, man. Got a lot of comments. So I just sort by and went to newest. And now I gotta scroll all the way down. Scroll all the way down. Come on, man. To the beginning. Shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to y'all. So Domino, we start with Domino first. What we gotta do? Gotta claim this. And see, this is the thing right here. This is why they're not doing airdrops anymore, because when you claim, that go against your max payout. It goes right here to your claim. So that go against you. That's your money, but it's what you do with it afterward. You get closer to getting out of the system. So that's why they're not doing airdrops anymore. But I'm still doing mine. Because y'all my people. You know what I'm saying? Man of my word. Every Friday I do airdrop, which end up being on Saturday. But the contest is on Friday. So I'm going to claim. And that's going to go against my claim. And I'm going to give it away to y'all. That's what I do, baby. As soon as it goes, this pretty fast, though. Price still holding up, see? Pretty fast. Price still until we're going to go back over here. Show you how I'm going to do. Go straight to the first one. Domino. So y'all pretty much see you're going to see. Domino. View reply. Copy that. Now, a lot of people come over here from other YouTubers or other people that's not doing airdrops, and they try to, they want to get on there and want to get on the winning team. You should have done it from the first beginning, like I told you. Let's see here. Net deposit, 229. See, he on one before. See, look. 20 drip. Now it's finna be 40 drip. Because I'm finna come right down here. See what I'm saying? All you gotta do is, man, click that notification button and, man, it's the easiest money you ever make. You ain't gotta like me, and I'm giving you money. This is crazy, man. 20 drip on your head, baby. Let's go. I think drip almost $4, but that's $80. Who giving away $80 a wop? Who doing that, bro? Who? Nobody. But your boy. Who else we got going on? We're going up here. John Palmer. I'm like, you done won before too. Hey, man, hey, you stay involved, you win. I reward those that stay involved, man. You can't watch my video one time and think you just finna get an airdrop all the time. No, you gotta stay involved in the community. Let's see what we got. But yeah, that's how I do it, man. This is the process. That's why I try to do it live so people will see. Don't become asking me this and that. You see it live, what I'm doing. Man, I thought I was first to comment. Hey, that's between you and YouTube. I don't know none of y'all. Y'all don't know me. These ain't none of my partners. I don't know these folk. All I'm doing, let me see, yeah. So he done got some airdrop too. Look at that. He ain't got but 46 in here. Come on, man. Come on, John. Step your game up now. But he finna get, I'm finna almost double his investment. Finna give him another 20. But he involved. What you want me to say? He watched the video. He involved. He know what's going on. He get rewarded. You know what I mean? He on the start squizzy. Bam. Come on, man. Giving away money around here. Let's go, baby. But yeah, man, that buy swap is killing it. Corn swap still paying out. Pancake swap still paying out. Drip still paying out. B&B steak paying out. I mean, I don't know, man. I just got the magic touch of this thing, man. I mean, I ain't trying to brag and nothing, but, I see y'all be. Who else? John, Wade. Why ain't you in drip? Wade, you know better. Wait, come on, man. Where you at? OC always win. I ought to skip you. No, I'm just kidding. OC always in the house, even though none giveaway video. But yeah, man, I'm gonna start doing that too, man. So start commenting. So if I recognize you, I'm gonna start doing something special for the people I recognize. So comment on every video. See, certain people I recognize. You know what I'm saying? If you comment a lot, oh now, even though I know OC is on the team, but I'm gonna still do it just for GP. You know what I'm saying? Let me make sure. I could be going through what that menopause? No, what that Alzheimer's? I'm tripping, man. I'm tripping with that E9. Okay, I'm tripping. Anyway, man, we're gonna do this. We're gonna keep doing this, man. I'm gonna go up the list. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see how I do it. I don't even know what number I'm just gonna keep going till I run out. I'm gonna give it all the way to y'all, man. Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, and do what? I can't hear you. Holler back at your boy, man. That's what we do. Might just let him run a little more while I do this. What this is? Pantera Negra. I don't know, man. I don't know if I like that. No, I'm just kidding. That's probably English, not their native language. So, but that probably their real names. So hell, I'm tripping. You know what I'm saying? Getting a little close. You know what I'm talking about? The Juneteenth, man. We can't be. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know now. You might wait. Hey, I feel some kind of way. I'm tripping, man. I need to go and end the video before I say something crazy. But I'm always talking crazy. But I'm just giving away money right now. Oh, my man. Hey, my man, that 500. I might do something special. I'll tell you now about 8. Let's see what we got going on. But yeah, man, y'all see it. Man. I'm going to end the video now. I'm just going to keep giving away this money, man. You know what I'm saying? Like the video, man. Hey, come on up, man. Gotta make sure now people they think you cut the video off, you'll reject it. Nah, he had cut the video off and hit reject. Oh man, I'm tripping. I am tripping, man. See, here we go. Come on now. My name, boy. I need to go over on Matic too. Somebody said the Matic network was tripping. I gotta go check on my Matic. I got money all over there, man. I see what's going on. Anyway, man. This for real. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. I'm finna keep giving away money, man. Holla at your boy.